What the Welcome everybody to Choo-Choo Charles. I've not played this game, I've not seen this game, but I have seen Choo-Choo Charles in Bam Bam 4, which you can go check that out. New game. There we go.
I know it's been a while since we last spoke, but something has happened at the mines I've been supervising. No, trust me, you'll want to make time for this. You're looking for something big to keep your museum in business? Well, there's something big on that island. Real big. So many friends, and even my own son are still out there. If anyone can bring this thing down, it's you. It'll be
His
the
lips ain't
biggest
moving.
attraction your city's ever seen, and you can help an old friend. Yes, meet me on the docks at sunset. I hope you're ready for a little monster hunt. Yes, sir. They call him Charles. Half train, half giga-spider from hell. We've been planning his demise for some time now, and have nearly everything in order. Just a few people to meet.
I really don't like how his lips don't move.
Simple errands, you know. Yes, sir. Welcome to Aranerum.
Aranerum? I like that name.
Dig their own graves. Stay close. Charles isn't the only thing to fear around here.
Bro, I don't like the movement here, man. Alright, let's settings.
There's a train shed at the top of the hill.
It's like we're in The Shining.
What is this? It's the Shining, man. All black people have the Shining.
One of the train operators was killed early on by the beast, so his old engine should be in there. If we can get to it, it could be an indispensable tool on our journey. Stay close. We don't want to be exposed for too long.
Damn, oh, okay. Okay. We're booking it. Okay, catch him. It's that corner. Nah, bro, we're booking it. That's... I ain't never seen a game where we just book it from the jump. This man's excited to get this guy, huh? I want to see what's here. Okay, so in the bottom right corner we can see that's yeah. That's probably gonna say we're gonna need a key. Can I jump? Access to jump? Ugh.
Good on you! Looks like you found it. Open up that door and lead the way.
You know what? Let me there you go. Okay, jeez Louise, man. Alright,
Hey, that's what I'm talking about. She's an oldie but a goodie. I'm going to inspect the train's exterior. Why don't you take a peek inside, see what we got to work with?
well, we have 3 levers. Paint that's flowing for some reason. This bad boy. Can I aim? Is that something I'm allowed to do? Shoot. Lean left, lean right, inventory, jump, interact. No? Alright, so we got the gun. We have
Well, the exterior is a little rough, but everything looks to be intact. That gun you were looking at wasn't on here when I was evacuated from the island, but it sure looks fun to use. We can light up Charles with it and take him down before he even sees us coming. Are you ready to take this thing for a spin?
sure. Okay, so damn.
Yeah, baby! We're coming for you, Charles! Do you hear that? It's him!
Oh
It's
Jesus!
him!
Already? Come on, boy. No. Uh-oh. Is he good?
This isn't how things were supposed to end. I thought we could still fight like the old days. Yes, sir. Easy in, easy out. You'll need to do more than I thought, but I don't have time to explain. Find the eggs. Find my son.
What eggs are we talking about here? Okay, that's my bad, G. Okay, so that stop. We gotta go forward. Alright, still learning the controls here. I have 0 scrap. Alright, just done right in the thick of things here. Anything around? Ooh, yep, scrap. Definitely need that. Can you be Choo-Choo Charles without the train? Damn, okay. So I do have a map. The blue arrows mark your location, white line marks the train tracks, red arrow marks splits in the track. Alright, I think we want to go here. Let's place a waypoint. No, that's where we need to go. Okay, I am allowed to switch it if I so choose. Alright, I like this. So it's not we're stuck on a train. We could go on our feet if we really want to. Is that him? Where is he at? Oh, okay, okay, so the train just stops. I like that. Alright, let's continue chugging along here. And not yet. Now. Before we start any missions, let's look around for scrap. I don't see any explosives though. Hello, old man.
You must be the archivist that Eugene told us about. We're happy you came to help us out of this predicament with Charles and that madman Warren. You know, that old train of yours will need some major upgrades if you want to take down Charles.
Why, of course.
There are some metal scraps in my barn that you could use to improve it. Here's the key to the barn. It's just up a path, but I'll mark it on your map anyway.
Thank you. So I do need to go on this path by myself without the help of my trusty dusty train. Alright, so far so good. We're chilling here. Let's see what this lore says. Supply list, chicken feed, goat feed, fencing supplies. We'll scratch all that. No need to feed or fence animals that have already been eaten. Alright, so we have a carnivore of a train here. Not something you would think a train would do. Sweet. Even though Eugene has promised to send help once he reaches the mainland, I've just realized he never mentioned if he'd return. I suppose he is the type of person to ignore all the fine details of a plan. Everyone on the island is trying to find a way out of this mess, and I can only hope that this archivist friend of his can work some magic. You know I do what I do, man. I don't care what strange things they've done before or what practices they use, as long as Charles ends up dead. Even folks around here want the same. But then there are those crazies that want to leave him be. That darn Warren has lost his marbles. Man, we in good hands. I'm nationwide. I'm best friends with Peyton Manning. The gameplay feels good, except X to jump still weird to me. Is it just me or is that moon quite big? I don't know. Alright, here we go. Let's upgrade. So I have 10 scrap. I can afford the speed, so she might as well get the speed. Alright, what's next here? Where do we want to go? Let's go to this guy. Chugga chugga choo choo. Slow it down. Oh. Some oil, some scrap, that's what we need right there. We need some scrap. Oh, we need some scrap. You a little crazy. But that ain't a bad thing if you know what if you know what I mean.
I need my pickles! I ate the last jar of pickles I had in my house, and there's only one jar of pickles left on the island. My secret jar of pickles, locked away inside my pickle cave. I would have gotten them hours ago, but I lost my pickle cave. Someone else on the island might have some lock pickles. I mean, lockpicks. And if you can bring
She's funny
my
too.
special jar of pickles, I'll give you all the scrap metal I have as a reward.
Okay. Or I could just take all the scrap metal you have and ignore you. Pickles are the love. I love the pickles. Pickles are the love. Pickles are the life. I love pickles. They make me feel the happiness. Pickles, pickles, pickles. Ooh. And she's a poet? Yeah, sure I can get it for real. Alright, well, let's see here. Your pickle cave? I don't think I like going that far without my train. Yep. I mean, her voice is a bit annoying, but she'll also eat the pickles off my cheeseburger. Even though I told the McDonald's workers no pickles. I mean, it is weird how she dedicates her life to pickles, but oof. Damn, I took that much? Damn it, that's a bit crazy. Let's turn down the audio. Let's have it 110. Just so we're clear, I don't usually do checks. I don't do pre-sound checks. I do sometimes. Wow, what's wrong with yellow? Now, if we do purple with yellow accents, trust me, that'll look good. I don't like how quiet I went. Pickles, pickles, pickles. Huh. Let's... Let me take a gander here. I need the pickle key. Alright, so I just re-listened to what she said, and she says that that somebody else on the island has lock pickles. So we will have to come back to this mission. But I mean, we picked up a lot of scrap, so we're solid. So where do we want to go to next? We can required mission, a weapon mission. So let's go to this guy. Nope, we just continue going straight. Now we'll make a loop. There's a lot of missions here. Oh, no. Oh, wait, no, reverse. Okay. Oh my god! Damn! Just drive. Caught me with my pants hanging down. Alright, I need all the scrap I can get. I do like the unlimited stamina. That's something I do appreciate. Oh yeah, there's got to be scrap around here. Does the scrap respawn at points that you pick them up? Or is it there's a set amount of scrap on the island? Every time I see the save icon, bottom left, I always think it's something. I've been praying someone for the first evacuation group would just send back another boat, but I guess they all think that George's supply boat is still evacuating people. They're all safe and cozy on the mainland, but feel no obligation to make sure that everyone else escapes. I know that Charles thinking the boat isn't something anyone would expect, but still. To think I would have left this place by now, it makes me sick. Oh man, we gotta stand up and we gotta fight. We gotta fight the oppression. Is that a big fish? Okay, invisible wall. Can I save? It saves frequently.
My goodness, the others actually convinced someone to come help us. I'm so glad you came, but I simply cannot stay any longer. This island is too much for my nerves to handle. I've brought all my belongings here so I can leave immediately when a boat arrives. Although now that I think about it, I did forget my journal at home. Could you bring it to me? It's a dangerous journey for sure, but you might manage with that train of yours. I'll give you all the scrap metal I have. Just please, bring the journal next time you're here.
What we need to do is reverse course and then head to here. We're gonna do this optional mission. Everything's on the way of each other, so everything's like overlapping and whatnot. What's that shaking? The thing is, I can't tell when Choo-Choo is nearby. And that boy is so quick. I think I'm gonna actually have to invest in speed first. Unloading all the supplies has been an incredibly eye-opening experience. Here at the port, we've been working all day, every day. We are tasked with unloading the boat and running supplies up the hill onto the tracks. Where Theodore and Eddie deliver them to the different sites we'll be mining. The sheer cost of all this infrastructure is mind-blowing. With all the success Warren's family has had in this business, I'm surprised he's choosing to take such a risk. I heard footsteps. Where does this blood lead to? Alright, well, we'll take that scrap for sure. Oh, we gotta go yellow. Alright, now we gotta go forward. There is something like right... Or did... No, I already explored that. Alright. So... here... Oh, no, we're going the right way, we're going the right way, we're going the right way. scrap. I should actually upgrade. Let's see what this guy looks like in Disgusting. Let's. Hello.
Say, you're that monster hunter.
Yep.
I must know, do you have any experience with ghosts?
I believe my house is haunted, yes, because sometimes the bathroom door closes by itself. And my mom claims to have seen a ghost here. I think I might have seen a ghost right outside my window, but it could have been like a fog in my eye or something. So that's my experience with ghosts.
Someone or something has been pinning exactly 16 drawings to lampposts in the boulder field every night. I always collect and burn them, but as I was looking for them last night, I began hearing strange noises and seeing strange things. I only found half of them yesterday because of the commotion. Could you go find the last date and bring them to me?
I don't think this is a train situation or a ghost situation. I think it's a cult situation because I have seen a trailer for this game, so I heard footsteps. Okay, so we do need to go there, but we're gonna go here. Grab this guy's journal. The thing is, I will be far away from the train. If it is nighttime, it is extraordinarily bright for it being nighttime. Like that. Like that. Sweet journal. And scrap. Doesn't look like there's anything else on the way, so what we'll do is we'll go here. I think that's a bit much for that little drop right there. And that little damage, you know, it's like, how did I break my ankles there? Alright. I have played Slenderman The Arrival. I beat that game. What the fuck? Alright, it's cool. It's cool. We're good. 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 We're fine. We're chilling. Let's run here. Grab it. He just teleports me. That's it. This is some cultist stuff here, man. And it's definitely a ghost or some sort of freak of nature. I'm not. No, man. The screams of hell. careful though. Let's go to the other side. Yeah, he's already after. Wait, am I in the... I didn't... Okay, whatever. Okay, gameplay? I am quiet because I am trying to concentrate here. I know dead air isn't the best. But it is what it is. Oh well. Let him get me. This guy dumb as hell. What? This is a whole different mission. What's your mission? I don't mind taking a break from that. Just because I stumbled here, and now that I am here, should just might as well. Before the cave-in, I pushed a spare rail car into the canyon using my beautiful old mining train. I figured a rail car would be a fine place to hide my more important belongings, especially on a rural and unfinished track. I went to get something out of my rail car in the canyon about a week ago, but some of Warren's men have built a campsite or base of some sort there. I don't know how to get my box safely. I don't know how long it'll last. I'll last without. You?
Welcome to Aranirum, archivist museum person. My apologies. I'm not the best with introductions, but I don't believe either of us are here for socializing.
No, we're not.
I just so happen to have a little business opportunity, if you're interested.
$20 minimum.
A very special little box of mine is in a rail car in the nearby canyon, but the goons have set up a camp to protect that area, so be careful. Find the blue box and bring it back to me. I'll give you some scraps as payment.
I like how everybody just pays in scrap. Hey man, that's what I need. Nope, you can't get me. See ya. Alright, I really don't want to go out of focus here, so let's go back to the Slenderman mission. We need 2 more pieces of paper. Ooh. Yes, no idea where I'm going. Neither do I. I'm just running and I'm going to pick up the pieces of paper. It is very, very close. Like, dude, back up. Like, do you mind? How much? 37. Oh, no. YOLO, bitches! Damn, that actually took so much health. Alright, go ahead and teleport me. Choo-Choo is somewhere around here. And at least this game's way more forgiving. Ah. He's over there. He knows where I am? No, I can't outrun him. I can't outrun him. I can't. Monster scrap? Out 37? Let's go speed. Definitely don't want the train to... Okay, I mean, okay. Like 37 scrap's not a lot of scrap. I don't know how he found me. Also, Choo-Choo Charles and Ban Ban are in the same universe. I'm right. Oh. Is he dead? There you go.
Thanks for bringing me those papers. Here are some scraps for your help.
Thank you. 40! Mwah! Did I already read this? For the past 7 days there have been some strange happenings in a nearby boulder field. A week ago I went over there to clear my mind, and as often I do, found a strange drawing pinned to a lamppost. I took down the page and burnt it because it seemed like the best way to deal with the paranormal paper. Don't ever burn anything paranormal. The next night I found even more drawings and burned them as well. I found exactly 16 drawings multiple nights in a row. And now they're accompanied by horrific ghostly noises. I don't feel safe going out there again. My best guess is the place is haunted. Maybe, or even lost crew members. My best guess is the place is haunted. Maybe by our lost crew members. Maybe by something else. Oh, you're not gonna let me in your... Yeah, I thought we had a thing going here, Sasha. We could go in reverse all the way back. I don't know if that's the best thing to do. Okay, we could reverse back, then go this way. And then we could do these 3 missions. And then next episode we could do these missions and all the other missions. So let's reverse. We're gonna go to this guy again. Really wish I could aim, but we're almost here. Let's slow it down. No, let's actually wait now. We're good. A little bit more, actually. Alright, so I'm at 40.
Thank you so much for bringing my journal.
Of course.
I would hope, for your own good, that you didn't peek inside.
No.
But, here are those scraps I promised.
75. Okay. So now we'll go forward to do these missions right here. I'll meet you over there. Unless something else interesting happens. So you know the drill, let's look for scrap. Hello there. Let me see what we got upstairs. I'm stuck debating if Warren made us bring our families to this hellhole so that we never need to leave, or to keep information about his business practices away from the mainland. Either way, I want the man in a noose. Paul asked me to design a new weapon for this monster hunter that Eugene is sending. And knowing what I do about explosives, you can bet I made the most powerful rocket launcher I could. Warren, you don't stand a chance. I don't know about this Warren fellow, but...
Paul asked me to design a new weapon to help you hunt Charles. And using my extensive demolitions experience, I made this rocket launcher. I've been wanting to see Warren's empire crumble for a long time. So building this puppy was a hell of an opportunity. Now that you're
That
here,
dude's stretching.
I need a few minutes to remove some safety features. While I'm working on that, why don't you bring that box of rocket ammunition back here from inside the bunker down the rail?
I don't think I like that very much. Alright, let's see what this guy across the street has. The road? Railroad? From one skank guy to the next. Put a shirt on. I need to write this theory down fast before Warren finds out that I'm onto his dirty plot. My theory is that Mr. Warren Warlord the Third, his name is Warren Warlord the Third, is trying to hatch and raise more of those 8-legged critters, a whole armor for who knows what purpose. They found a whole nest of those eggs while clearing out debris from the cave-in. We also know that they're as hard as diamonds, completely indestructible. The miners spent months using the temple prism to suck the energy out of all the eggs. But before they could destroy the last 3, Old Man Warren stopped them. Warren must have realized how powerful these things are, and rather than protect us from them, wants us to use them to take over the world. I'm on to you, Warren. Greg, genius extraordinaire.
I'm sure Eugene told you all about me, so I need not introduce myself. Name's Greg, by the way. In case you haven't heard already, Warren, the mine boss, is keeping 3 monster eggs locked away. We're unsure why he wants to protect the eggs. If they hatch, they would surely turn into monstrous creatures like Charles. To prevent this, we need you to steal all 3 and use them to bait Charles so we can destroy him. One of the eggs is in the north mine. Here's the key to the entrance.
I still don't like how we're in The Shining.
The Shining, man.
Okay. So, damn. Okay, all the way there. Understood. Let's see what's over here. Hopefully it doesn't come out of nowhere. That would suck. But we're gonna do these missions here, and then we're going to, well, we'll do the do this mission and that guy's mission to get the rocket launcher. And probably more scrap is what this guy's offering. Just collect scrap along the way. Alright, I don't think there are any more scrap here. I lied. Please deliver a copy to Paul. Rest in peace, Paul. I went outside to do a routine check on the lighthouse. As I walked around the corner of the building, I saw that beast, Charles. He spotted me and charged straight up the hill in my direction. That Spire train is a hideous monster. Can't understand why Warren wants us to stay on instead of trying to escape the beast. I suppose Warren has simply gone crazy, thinking he can handle this situation on his own. In any case, Charles ran right over me, trampling my legs. I won't be able to attend the upcoming meeting, and I've asked Greg to bring back a copy of your notes if possible. Claire.
We haven't met, but I've heard lots about you coming to help us. I have a favor to ask. The breakers on the side of the lighthouse need replacing. I was recently attacked by Charles, so I'm unable to do it myself. The breakers are in the nearby supply shed. If you go get them and repair the lighthouse, I can try signaling passing ships to come help us. Once you finish, I have some spare scraps to give you.
Okay, I like Claire. You know, she survived. That's huge. The fact that he didn't eat you is crazy. But nonetheless. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4. Then they switched on. Oh god, it's one of these. One. Oh, alright, easy work though. That's
Fixing the
annoying.
lighthouse will definitely increase our chances of being spotted.
For sure.
Here are those scraps I promised.
Dude, I have a lot of scrap. Now I know the exponential growth and whatnot, but it's still some. Okay, and this guy wants us to go here. We'll follow the path. That's huge. I'm not gonna lie, I'm running around kind of aimlessly, but the game also is allowing me to do that, so I can appreciate that. I think I do take less damage. Okay. Okay. There should be a huge amount of scraps here. Really? That's crazy. Version 1 failed, version 2 failed, 13-second flight, and success. That's it? Just like 2 things of scrap here? Alright. Don't like that music. No idea where he is. I do think the lighthouse would be an attraction. Like that would attract him. Oh. He's faster than me. There's actually nothing I can do. Once he gets me, he gets me, man. But that is a good way to quick travel. I knew he was around somewhere. I just didn't know where exactly. There you go.
The launcher is in complete working order, so I'll let you take it from here. Oh, and take good care of it. After you're done, I have a few people to visit with it, if you catch my drift.
Damn! Then I think we do this. Alright, let's upgrade our train here. Alright, and I do think speed is the most important part. Train at full health. We do have. We could do this mission. Because there are a lot more missions. Stop.
My friend.
Go ahead, test me. Nah, go ahead. Nah, what were you saying? What were you saying? I'm surprised he saw me underneath the steps. I don't know if I appreciate this. Not much of a lean, if I say so myself. Damn. Damn. I mean, does this guy really want to test me?
never came here.
And it's alright, I'll let you get your shots in.
I'm gonna shoot you.
Well, you did shoot me twice. But since then you missed. But now, it's my turn. Just making a pile of dead bodies here. I need that lockpick. Is it really just those two guys? That's all I have to worry about? Make sure nobody goes near the egg. If you see anyone that shouldn't be there, shoot them immediately. No risks can be taken. As soon as it finishes, kill it and bring the body to me.
You shouldn't be here.
No, but I am. But I am. Go ahead, get your shots in. Go ahead, go ahead. No, you're just trash. You're garbage. You're dog water. Chat, he's cooked. He's cooked. Actually, I am scared of this guy. Let me go get those two scrap. Hey, 1 second, man. 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. Okay. Actually, now we should actually run for our lives. Okay. Where are you? You're my perfectly good joke. Whatever. Alright, here we go. We out. Losers. So, I think that will be it for the day. We got a good amount of things done. You know, our train is upgraded by a lot. Choo-Choo got me a couple times. That Slenderman knockoff got me a couple times. Should people not subscribe? I gotta agree.